Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good day. How are you this morning? How are you doing today? I hope all is well. Thank God for another day. My viewers, my subscribers, thank God for another day. I love you. I love you. Is it okay this today? Is it all right? I hope so. Just let me know what you're doing for today. Are you at work? Are you going to work or whatever? You can make it in, tell me in your comment. All right, today now I'm going to season some cow foot. So I'm going to show you how I season my cow foot. All right. Hi guys, good morning. How are you? How are you doing today? I'm just showing you how I clean my cow foot and season it. So watch as I go. Is it okay so far? Thank God for another day. Alright? So here is my cow foot now. Scrape it like this. And guys, remember, make sure you wash them properly. And you can use your lemon or you can use your vinegar. Okay, so I scrape like this. Let's see. And you can also use the vinegar or whatever you have, lime, whatever, you can use it. Alright? We're going to wash them. You rub it like this. And how is it going so far? Thank God for another day. It has been good to us. And remember, we have to trust Him. And whatever thing that we are doing, remember to put God first in whatever you are doing. Put Him first in every business. Everything that you have to do, put Him first. You can see? That's my cow foot. I'm going to show you how I season it now. Yes, so there's my meat. I have some salt here. I'm going to put my salt in. And I have my bean here. I'm going to put it with it. And I also have some bean from my backyard. I'm going to put it with it. My ginger. And you put whatever seasoning you want to put on it, my subscribers and viewers. And I have some Maggi seasoning here. I have some cayenne pepper. I'm going to tip some, 1 second please. I have some cloves and rosemary water. I'm going to put it on it also. So that's it guys. I have my seasoning here, but after start cooking, later on I put my seasoning on. So this is my seasoning. You can put more seasoning on it if you want. So I have pimento here also. So I'm going to put some pimento. So I'm going to break my pimento like this. And put 2 more pieces. You can see this is my pimento. Oops. So this is my pimento. Okay. I'm going to tip a little browning also in it. This is a new bottle of browning. I like to measure my browning because sometimes it is so strong. Alright, let me test first. Let's see. See? Oops. See? Take a little bit more browning and then this browning is strong. This is my browning. It's very strong. I think I'm going to put some more Maggi. Most time, subscribers and viewers, this is what I do. You can see? So I'm going to put a little bit more brown in it. See? Alright, so that's it. So I'm going to get my pot all ready. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you. My pot is all ready. I'm going to pressure it, put it into my pressure cooker after a while, but I'm just starting in this spot. Just a little tips of oil. No, not a lot of oil. Just grease the pot bottom. Too much oil is not good. Yeah, just a little. So I just grease the pot bottom like this. Turn on my fan. can see. And you don't have to put oil in it because the cow foot has a lot of oil in it, a lot of grease. So you don't have to put oil in it. But if you want, you can just grease, or if you want to put oil in it, that's fine. But I don't really put a lot of oil. I just grease my. So watch as I go, guys. My pot is getting hot. Let me try it. I'll try and give it a little color. Alright, so watch as I go. It's my cover here. So watch as I go. You can see it? My subscribers, my viewers, can you see it? I'm trying to give it a little color. You can see it? Let me get a little color first. Just watch as I go. So getting its color. As you can see, I put it in my pressure cooker. I try to give it a little color. As you can see. Okay, so I'm going to pressure it now. So watch as I go, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to cover. Alright, this is my weight. As you can see my cow foot now, guys. Welcome back, and you see now it's all cooked. So I'm going to put my seasoning. Alright, so watch as I go. I'm going to show you. I'm putting my scallion, which I already washed. My pepper. These peppers are not hot, but I'm still using it. So this is my seasoning. This is my beans. Alright. This is the one from my backyard. And I bought this at the store. So I'm going to put it in now. You can see? So you put whatever season you want to put in yours. You put it in it. Okay. Right, my subscribers and friends and families. You can see? Let me turn my fire all the way up. See? It's all there. Alright. And then I'm going to put my bean in. My broad bean. So it's cow foot and bean. This is my bean that I have here. can see it's all there. I have some leftover water from it because it was too much, so I'm going to put back some more in it. So this is my water from my cow food. So as you can see, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. You can see my cow food now. So the next time you see me around, it will be a finished product. Thank you. Thank you very much for subscribing and viewing. Thank you for making a comment to my cooking channel. Alright? Watch as I go. Yes, my peeps and my subscribers and my friend, my neighbors, everyone. This is my finished product. Alright, so it's cow food and bean. Bean from my backyard. And I bought a tin at the store. So you can try it. You put a little brown in, you tip a little brown in. And if you wanted to make it darker or lighter, no problem. Alright, you just put whatever you want. It's not really the looks, it's the taste. And for sure, mine has been tasting so good. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks again. Remember to put God first in everything you do. Trust God, He will make the way. Let no one discourage you. He will make the way out for us. Just put Him first. Put Him in the driving wheel. Put Him at workplace. Wherever you want to or you're going, just put God first and trust Him. This is my finished product for my Sunday dinner. And I can put it with anything. You can eat it just like how it is. You can put it with rice or whatever. I'm not sure what I'm going to put this with, but I'm just showing you how I cook my cow food. Alright, blessing every time. Blessing upon my family, my subscribers and everyone. Take care. See you in my next channel, my next video. Alright, you take care. Bye bye. Take a look.